Hey everyone, I'm Robin, and today I want to share with you my DIY hand and body wash. I make this all the time for my family. It is super quick and easy to make, and it is also safe and gentle for the entire family. So if you're interested in how I make this, keep watching. For this body wash, all you really need are 3 main ingredients, but it is super customizable, so you can add ingredients, you can take ones away. It's really up to you, and I'll show you how I most often make it. So I use Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, and I use a lavender one. Now they make a bunch of different scents in this. They make like citrus and tea tree and peppermint and others, and then they also make an unscented one, which I think is like their baby version of it. So you can really pick whichever one you want for whatever suits you best. You could also pick the unscented one and then add your own essential oils if you prefer to do that. And then all you need is water, but what I like to do is I actually like to use rose water, or at least part rose water, part water. It just really helps make the soap even more luxurious on your skin. So I love using rose water. And then to also help with moisturizing, I also add jojoba oil. Again, that's not something you have to add, but I would strongly recommend adding a nice nourishing oil to it because it's just something that really helps your skin. And then another thing that I like to add sometimes is vitamin E oil, but again, that's totally optional. I use this just primarily in the shower, but you could also just use it for a nice hand soap if you wanted. I really like this because it is foaming, so when you make this, you want to make sure that you have it in a foaming soap dispenser, and I'll link some down below. All the ones I have are just ones that I've had from other soaps that I've bought in the past, but I like this because then you're saving all those plastic bottles, and you can also use glass ones if you like. But I wouldn't recommend it in the shower. I'd be too afraid that I would drop it anyways. So yeah, you can. This is super easy, it's inexpensive to do, and it's so gentle on your skin that anybody in the family can use it. And I really like to use this not just for washing, but for shaving as well. It's, like I said, it's really luxurious and nourishing to the skin. So let's go ahead now and I will show you how to make it. Start by adding 1/4 cup of Castile soap of your choice. Then mix that with 3/4 cup of water or rose water. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil. And finally, give it a little shake before use, and you are ready to go. So as you can see, it's super easy to make. Make sure that you give it a little shake before you use it because the oil and water does separate when you have it sitting there. So make sure you do that. If you give this a try, please let me know how you like it. Also, I said that I use this for primarily body wash, and that's because I use bar soap for in our bathrooms and everything for hand soap. If that is something you would be interested in seeing how I make my bar soap, let me know in the comments and I will be sure to do that. And I think that's all, so thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing any other healthy living lifestyle videos or motherhood type videos, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Also, if you have any requests for any upcoming like motherhood type videos, please let me know because I am due with my second child in just about 6 weeks. So I will have tons of new baby videos that I can put up. So if there's anything specifically that you want to see, let me know. And I think that's everything. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!